For Skyview Lagoon, we had these electric poles put in so that the electricity could come in. 1, 2, 3 poles. And right now what they're doing is they're fixing the internet 3BB. He's doing the wiring all from the main box outside. And it goes into the property. And right now we are not we're putting these poles also, which are retractable, because that's the property lines. And what we're doing is we're going to have this property split. So we're waiting for them to come and break up the property, and then we're going to have underground cabling done. Right now all the cabling will be going on the side and into, like, around the bend and going into the main box temporarily until we get the road sorted, the permissions for the road, the access, which would take about 1 to 3 months. Once they do that, we'll have that sorted. And now we're having this whole area, which is down here, the skirting being done so that the stairs can come. And electrical wiring has to be the 3-phase, because we have the main pole there. The 3-phase will be coming in, going into the main box. And I mean, everything's functional now. It's just that the 3-phase will come in and it'll be a better power source, because right now we're using a temporary line. Once that's done, we'll have the windows, everything sorted. The pump, we just bought a new pump for the water, which is already being changed right now. Then we will have another pump for the main lake here, which when it's rainy season, it gets quite filled up, and it'll exit through that piping that we have made underground. We have signed with the neighbor also that this piping is done so that all the property here will not be affected, because the water goes and starts clawing into the land. And so it was agreed upon that this piping needed to be done. We did it, and it's our cost, but it runs through their land, and they've given us permission. And then yeah, everything else is coming along. We're going to be planning the next roofing down here for the first floor, and I was just designing it, and how we're going to have the bougainvilleas growing on top so that there's color. But that's the update. Stairs are done, everything's done, and move on from there.